And Jumbi or Honoma or Tua a year. And you my a friend a dedicational song and a song of commitment. When you be next will be Trinity Sesania, Dr. Kosimbreko and Lawrence Kwame Manukri. Omo akabomana omo yesa jomo etese ede mawa na wonso so watu bi no aka se we ye emame ambri nyina se ye wa woda minim se wonim se rade ye mawo se bia otese ye nuaba ne maame eda fom ochina echi dine na watweda Auntie Ellen nyame ogusua oye edemao enye wo maame ewu bremu Auntie Emma Ellen Ellen mother care mama show nkra na men show den seri asetena ne tie bia no kosote ase onyame oyamao Asafo Gabriel and Sam in himself weekend the uja umame kwine but the radi gusu oyamao opanyine bi o hotel where yempotemo Amasco nema imamo den hese ewrade oyamamo obi abi udie ewiase obia bewu da krobeko bade ebrebi o ti say mo no say ohu ba ya na ya ho papaye me tena se ahomache bia metimi check news other countries na me hwesa America for pa matra 100,000 human beings 100,000 human beings na yade we abefa monamfo mokunum mo colleagues Russia for so crazy say womo so emunya Russia abusu asame no me yete ase a de ya obetumi aka bia e na osofo manukuri ene eldamreku eken ese me sume rade na me sorry rade Awurade wo ye mame. Mamo Facebook, no, I thank God for all of you. Munya bre eneme sum our Facebook and YouTube. Mesum wo. Namahuro wo. 100,000 human beings. What dear baby, I will be on Mesrewa. What dear Maones on a Casserade Messumo? I didn't meet me. I swam, and I'm a my bomber journey. I real thousands of Messumo. Minaka Kramatia see the well rather than a Messumo. Yalcome Dozy, Christian Nemo, Michaela Darko. Facebook for Romodos into a ya, and my appreciate it. The more banner money means some wahana. Cosima for good morning. Akosia Akoma. Akosi. Cosima for. Cosima for. We a guy ankasa. We a mommy. Na my yama genes mesum. Can you say that? Obeti me akasa no pay. Na ya wada. Awurade ma bomma dwene pose mesum. Ni hia ka, ni hia dan. Eno na dwena me ka no ba bi. E wo prayer line bi say enye say Awurade be ma aduane adi ansa na mo mate ena makenkan say David twere mu no o say ma ya abofra ena manyini na me hunu obi o yetene ni a ono ene nasefo banka se ono nko ono ene nasefo a wo mo esresre aduane adi da biarada enti me Yaw Owusu-Ansah me ne masefo won so woni wasefo manya wo kasa paimuka ne bi no paimuka nkasa ye ne bi no so be kasa ediu me bro me wo da bi wo de ka ne se bi ne mo se bi di mafotias bi ne so wo ye mame enye niema nyina na ye nya na se ne ye pe no me se wo ba makoma mu a na me nko ne makoma mu me nsanka de me pe nyese me nsa nya aka Paul ne kana za nyese me nsa nya aka na je so obia wo bibi opese ne nsa ka ne nsanka ye mi wo bi mi wo bebre mi bobo so kirewa ena se nka me hwe no anka me nsore kura am ha nyese me nsa nya aka Mami di for Agnes. Yes, I mean, say, Yanka. Name my bomber, Guinness, and me pre a commenim. Mensanka, and so mean Jemu. Abrinina Etimasum, Eradima bomber, Guinness, and Massum. If you say, we are mammy. Hey, Masum wo. Not that as though I had already attained it. Enya se mensa enya aka enya se mensa enya aka bribi ofi se me ko ba e wo makoma so nyina to bribi kura no a e bia di na obedi de obenom ye ode beto fuel e bi ni ho ba you see nyame we no ye som no no oni nhwamo mi hunu oteneni ni a oni na sefo ya wo mo ne nam kwa ho no ma ye beggars nyame wonye ebida asumwo na makuro wo nyame uye mame mini mabusie Abrinyina Masumwo Ochedi amponya me na makuro wo Uye mame Nyese minsenyaka Anase mawie peye Minwie peye o yaw Akra yaw minwie peye Minwie peye Mreye sintoye ebini na mabra bomu amempe I am not perfect. I am not already perfect. Me nyanwie peye me bufu me wa kono me wa tenka me nyanwie peye Mama Crew so someone say, oh, that I need to be perfect before I can think about Christ. I need to be perfect. You know, you gotta be perfect. Minyanye, then so be guso. Minjemu, I cannot give up. Uye mame, abrejina. One person why pay. One person koneni. Have you become stuck? Have you? What Bible do baby a wagina fa kwana? Philip of 1 trillion. The book of Philippians. Itia ayami and Sansao. And no Paul Kayo. Not as though I had already attained a neither were already perfect, but I follow after. If that I may apprehend that for which also I am apprehended of Christ Jesus. And yes, I mean, saying, I can answer my name, we pay edada. Name on me common him, name on me common him, name on me common him, name on me common him. Me, my dear, me name on the atomino, and Mama Tenacia, name on me common him. I pray by the Holy Ghost this Thursday morning. Mankweni musun sumun fawajene. But I follow after. If that I may apprehend. Nakomanim na mensaka. You will definitely apprehend. You will definitely apprehend. Zania Christo nsa kameno. Bibi wo hono mu amensa beka. Ena ya wadai ma men show nkura. Fasi wani so. Focus. Zoom out and zoom in. Because we are Danny when Sabeka. We are day when Sabeka. But you need to refocus. One we are no focus kakra, no focus kakra. I can still get a camera. Now we try there. One we zoom in, we zoom out. Obaso nyese nipa na hwene eye clear. Na nimuduane ye clear. It is an abrabo ya koba nyina na kukuru hwiase wom. It we are no focus kakra. Na watchima ko wachi. So wakuta camera da. Na me try video. Na me try video. We say, hey, what's this? What you are? We are also. Yeah, you are saying. What they are to the honor of the fans. I show them the film. Try video not that because Sabra not trap out to crowd and said that in Yabi. And that because video is not so ye. Pumping. So for my cook, Kenya, me answer na that call my same video. Now, the other side, that call share multi-purpose life. What it? What you try on with the fans? I showed with them from the fashion bottom. God bless me. Shut up. Work hard. Yeah, Juma. Because yes, I saw them prepare. Sorry, them prepare. The office I saw ya Wobreku house. Men am quite copy power. Abrabono nyauti. When everyone will grab me, I was cocaine. Get out. You see, work hard, be diligent. Yeah, would ya Jumano? Man hacker to ya. Because at 25, I may buy visit me, baby. Cabina baby and Kenny. Baby, someone to be there for Jai. I hope As I keep away. Multimedia. So, Zika, Obuakra, on service. Jusu. Oh my God. Mama, so for Mompire, my name call lighters. I hope picture it. Would you, Juma, and Pemi Yamanwa or Quan Bafaso Bishra? And Jessica, said you obey to me, I am my woman. All this that I'm doing my services to the nation Ghana, the country called Ghana. But I want to apprehend. BBC many so me wabatai. I want to apprehend. Ediana wo ni so. Enya se me nsanya ka. Enya se me wie paye. Nemom me komanim. Emade ankwada no ye ni muabam. Emade wukunu ye awo. Emade awoyire ye awo. Emade sa yade ye ba ye de aye. Don't let it distract you and disturb you. But be refocused and focused. When you camera on a kakra, zooming in, not zooming out, we be clarity. Adiana ni mo beda ho. Wabra boni say who shade nhunu ni amaso. But let me encourage you. Ma ya o show nkran kakra. Ya o mama show nkran kakra. Enya se manya wie peye. To bre bia ombese obebo adwaman no wabo ombese obewinsa no wahwe. Ombese obetwa loto no watwa. Ombese obefiri obi ade enso wafiri. Ombese ode wonsa be wo bo maato enso no ode wonsa bo maato. Aja wa dia be bia wo yare wa wo mpe. Nemo me komanim nemo maye madwene mabom adwene masi madwene po masinketa awiata so sinketa wiata so se eye dane ye dan no amesi ni mesi project no abeba so awade na beba so ya eye nwenta so ni sinkete Woma bibi biara and distract menya ho te se Martha de Yesu ba fie and she was distracted. Onwa ya kenkan brofo no o say and Martha was distracted. And yema bi betimi a distracted. Arabay. Me very sure say my show crying kakra. Yes, my show crying. I know very well. Enya se mensenya ka anase menya wie peye dada dabi menya nduru ba bia me koro yare ko yanimara yare mpa ya chirada media me recommend wita so sinkete bo wadwene po I am going somewhere osona wukro Obiwa Austria. Also, Bishop, you are blessing my life. And Hong Kong, baby, I will be every country, every continent. That is the reason why I'm sorry. Now I'm free before just to come and be a blessing, not to be a curse. 1-2 minutes, Mamenko Odi4 bar, Agnes Sasu. Ono da sorry ano oye general overseer oye founder Adom from say Adom say monyam emayire ye ba me ade no esense ho no na ma me feedback ho rom kai Adom Mountain Zion edia hodo miensa Adom Mountain Zion
da man Zion
Adom Mount Zion has a mountain no but very nice our Resurrection Power 11 Bread Ministries International. So I better me also don't have a tight to be also on my pack instruments. Hey, yo, so bro. We are having such a video. Did you? Obey. Because you are going to when you're not bad. Obey, or because a yadia metria waka and so in your mere drum obey, and it will be for a guitar cratter as in Alabama say. Cocky, Mamma dear say. So many hours, Oberman say. But if over Bompire, my
na no peso ye da wase
yura
ye hu ne yanka ye hu ne yansi
ade beka yura
asidan kan ye ni ba bia kose wonchen na ya ba etu ne edin a owura so ye nsa na fa ye twa ya ye mre ya ye ni ba bia ye ko ye ni da so asa owura so ye nsa etne edinie edunie den ogifo no hwan ene wo Kristo papa ye twa ye ni a obi ani ho eka wasefrade ho wo ne ye de ye ho ato so enne ye sere se ye awa tu ho konkro wo na wo ye buafo babua yen owura babua yen ye ni da so bia enti babua yen so ye nsa na fa ye twa papa kaya kuma to ye yem
kadimasa yakodi mahadi
ye be se wanyunyam
akadibo sada
asira nka udin obi ene wa wadi wachi a wo ma nanim agu ase wonya bida na nye na wo be ye nso enti ye de ye ho to so na mebo ne ekọ awurade enim bia se wo ye nim se wo de ye betwa
ye nim sa
papa ye nim se wo de ye betwa enti fa ye twa na man san yina hu wo Kristo
for we know
Yada wase
yenimpa yenim se wana odo won to awurade so no wo ma de nyina radi bua wo no ma ne wie won yenim papa yenimpa arapa mi banyina na me John chapter 1 John chapter 1. Great God. Said Nathaniel to me share.
He's so great.
Nini no can say as a baby bet me free Nazareth. Me as driving and meditating as a baby bet me free Nazareth. As a baby bet me free my brabo. As a baby bet me free my bushia yimu. A diana bretio yuko. I said, "Baby, baby, bet me a free one." Oh, mama, Facebook no more. What a blessed message! Message in the crowd in your mouth. And on Oba, and on Abana, and on Oba. Bra, Bekasa, and Sana. Why are you? CJ. Bibi I find it. Chumai cannot Kasayana I said baby bet me free. You look at certain personality and then you look at it, you zoom in and you zoom out. I said Ukuta camera who zoom no I said baby pebi sa personality. No started that. I said baby pebi. I said biribi pabi ebetimi efri abrante wayim I said biribi pabi enti me ya so de me come asem no nso apie na wo jump
papa mi tie usoro ho
wo tie mo so a wo soro ho
me soro ho
I said biribi pabi betumi every CJ mo di amame
papa response no na ye me de
kadima
o se mo mra mehwe
wo ga so be
Papa, me call Gospel Truth Ministries.
Gospel Truth
Ministries. Mombra meshe.
Mombra meshe. Jachinjiano, Brabeshe. Oh, let me present to you. Mombra meshe. Hey, Mombra meshe, CJ. I like that. Confident talk. You don't value me, but brabeshe. Software action and no person can some brabeshe or software J.
Bishop, me and I will. And you may push it. I come to pass. That's the way to me and Gumishra. Above said Dudo. Above said Dudo. And also grant you Punia. Besako Punu. Bishop. Sir, Natania. So for me, but with your Santos opening Mapununa. And
na masa no mbie
just some kitwa nim tree
and a bitter so bitter leaves so and so my yam say could be became we are betting a makakra and not never say tregu so me
no kura o che wo die
me so die no enyo no and so ye punu near the jane agusu ni ye punu sa ya de odo obenu no ho eniema ye be punu ku ye yidi pedue no
wo kura de am say awusa di dware kan
na be punu no me ndware man fa ndware na me koya na za me bai tware aguso na kokọ me hwidi na me body na no nom Adwa good morning Adwa good morning Krista good morning Krista wallahi no son wa ye chu Krista good morning. All right, Monsa checking the line on so na just also ya cho and the phone ya cho
Bishop
Ajaba
Nazareth hono enye kuro bi o
asibribi pebi Adwa good morning Adwa good morning. Why you not Father Toso quick or not so. All right. Nazareth enye kuro bi ubetimi akase biribi papa bi
people bu no be say me pedua bi amene abu abome a ne kwa abofre Nazareth ye kuro kitwa bia
obi nim sese osahene ne obrempon ne agenkwa eni nyansafo eni wonwanwani eni nsankyire ne wura bi befiri ho
na akwana obusa asasa Nathaniel no highly academic
academic pomposity was sheer yankasa
an academic be
na wa research yankasa woni mo twere kronkron no
and wonim se Nazareth yankasa
Nazareth paade
papa bi antimi
etobra bi obi ka asem bi kire wa in actual fact no kware mo no yanka di nipa na kana nka ye no kware die wo de ba honam famu a na obi ka cho se ye Owusu-Ansah so biribi pa bi betimi afiri ne mo a odika
o classmates eni wo ko ben ele
so for je
satan
me call Holland na me preach na me classmate we abetena ho say me preach na hwe me do Spain what say me ba no head alpha player ba wo hwe me do ye wie no so ka me na me so ye hwan wo say me we ye me classmate and am say wo hene
we three say wa modin no
and me mamo ase biribi papa bi onim mase arepai yala no ema yentimi nya adwo amfa no nto so ye but bisa ho John chapter 1 verse 46 asebribe pabi ebetumi afri Nazareth ma medifo ye kan se yabo se waka on say go bo sa asebribe me nti abrabo no enye sene am history tie ne o enye sene am abakosem tie mfa enye sene onim me fa ene hiame name asebribe pabi ebetumi why ready the adwo amana nkasa adwo good morning
papa
what to say
papa nyame ado
asebribe pabi betumi afri ya manumu aba na asebribe pabi betumi afri emrantia ne mabawa asetra yi mu hawinti amankwada say wo motetifie na ya internet so ya na frustrate wonom na TV program so kura wo mu no so bebre yie and the programs me had alternative na chi na me share education dey ma a very 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 nice one na so kurani bo homo ntiase and when your teacher kura so ebisa ne kosa asebiri bi pa bi betini afri ya nda chie dikamfo yi mu aba na adwoa
papa bi pa bi betini afri mo fra ni mu aba
okay
ni nyina ne say ye de entity pa ebegu kwem bi papa bi betini afri wo mu aba
okay
na say ye behu sa bribi no nso a entity ye ade bi a edin enye ade eda form sa entity se wo tete abofra no
okay
enye ade eda form sa
enough form sa
enough form to be a responsible parent
okay
enye bibi a eda form
enye ade eda form sa
enye ade eda form enti ade ade bia no wo ɔwofoɔ no ɛsɛ sɛ wobɔ wo ho mmɔden na wohwe taa so na wosi nkete wobɛma biribi papa bi afiri mmɔfra no mu aba ɛsiane sɛ ɛno titiriw nti ɛna Awurade amfa sɔfo agye yi ma ammerɛ me na wamfa me nso me ma ama sɔfo agye yi ɛsiane sɛ wonim sɛ mmɔfra no
na me deɛ wamfa me deɛ anhyɛ hɔ
Bishop Owusu-Ansah
adwoa adwoa kasa
deɛ ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ sɛdeɛ onyame pɛ sɛ wonam kwan so tete wo ma no ɛyɛ different from sɛneɛ men so metete me ma
ɛnɛ kware papa
ɛwɔ mu sɛ yɛ talking about nurturing a yɛn nyinaa yɛ talking about principles anaasɛ nneɛma bi a ɛbɛboa yɛn ama yɛde atete yɛn ma no ɛso sɛdeɛ efie bi abɛfa saa asɛm yi na ɔde atete ne ma because yɛn nyinaa kora na obi awɔ family tradition ɛnɛ no sɛ wobɛtumi atete abɔfra no yie a ɛdi kan wo ɔwofoɔ no ɛsɛ sɛ wodɔ wo ho. You need to love yourself as a parent.
Ejana se enano.
Ejana se enano.
Se wo dogo ho kane.
To me dogo ho.
Okay.
Esan say, and you should more my young say, the more now wo dogo ho. Now we are happy. Now we are satisfied with ourself. The more you will project positive emotions towards your children.
Oh, okay. It is a wa won don na wa won bu ho na wa won value ho a. There is a tendency say wa kasa won ma no. Wo be ja wo ma jeje mu na wa to wo ayampe ana.
Ane papa esan say obi ani ho a oni bribi obetimi de sa bribi na woni no e de ama wopi. You can't give people what you don't have.
Okay.
You give people what you have.
Okay.
Enti die ewo mu no ena wo de be ma no. Na awofo no bebre no because of yesu yanti ya better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't love ourselves. Enti no akwa yese ase eniema na me ma wofo de gu kwanu ana mempem. Mentimi nya ɛho akukuduro ɛmfa ɛnsesae.
Okay.
Nti saa ɛyaw no ɛhyɛ me so. Nti ɛma dodoɔ na de saa ɛyaw no ɛna de tete wɔ mo ma no.
Okay.
Nti wɔn sɛ eduru baabi a ɔwofo bi ti sɛ hwɛ na me kra na enya no sɛnea wanya no no. Wokra deɛ me de ma no ɛyɛ sen sɛnea me menya no no.
Okay.
The fact sɛ wo wanya biribi na wo pɛ no ɛnkyerɛ sɛ ɛma wo ma no nso so ɛnya saa biribi no ɛntra. This time me pɛ awofo bebree asɛm bebree no ɛnya kwan access education ankɔ n'anim.
Of course.
Ɛnso so no wabɛnya ɔdɔ bi ama ɔno ankasa no ho.
Very true.
Ɛwɔ anigye bi wɔ ne mu sɛ.
Very true.
Ɔpɛ sɛ wɔ pushi ne ba no.
Very true.
Ɛma no sɛnea wɔ no parent no wɔteɛ. Enti me no baby a me free ba ne say yes wo free baabi na wo ba wo anya de wo de ma wo ba no enne.
Okay.
But emfa nkai abofra nanum. You see, in the heat of our emotions no you can't say mu bebre na akwa akoye say de ye ya ma akola no kra no undeserve.
Okay.
Once wo abofra no de na ba ti asefo asase so no de it is your right and your responsibility as a parent to nurture the child.
Okay.
Whether the abofra na so den, na so nyeden, e was so wo nurture abofra.
Send your tie bia no.
E ya wo ba.
Send your tie bia no.
E ya wo ba no, e was so wo tete no.
Okay.
Na wo di no be si e kwan tene so. Because they are very important. Na e ko ba ta na ya wo ma more than one no e drew maybe a ye lebo enkola no ye compare enkola no obia onipa bia so ye wofo agreement bia no uprobi a utie wasem asem chen de na so enten
ampa
eye normal because obia te baby a na sumo bejo no
ampa
but ebia na wo ye parents bia wo enya ne sa enkwada me ensana wo no esu obia ne ne suban ebia na de wo mfifi no eye asem wo edene ase na disua kora wo fom ase na ne kasa wo kasa kire na onte
na so de wo ya sobrachi kakra
mesrewo emfa ketwa no entwa ne mpoa
okay
ena hwewu nua no
okay
ena wo ankasa hwede waye hwewu nua we nti na mete ne so a na ma
sorry
papa Jacob oyebi eno na de etan kakraka ebeto Joseph eni ni nua no mu. If you are a parent next the day bia no abofra na oye good no o de no sha de onye good na mpoa papa na o de o time ene yawo ebeto emofra ni mu eno ana abofra ni bedum pempen so be ti ka se na wo for empemaxen ya to masteram de meye bia
enye wo mo fe na adwa wo ko ne se ya na mehwa wo ka wo fo but what about wo mom yes single mothers
papa patro se me ka awofo a na me tiremu
because they say no a lot of single mothers will 6 time no mo
me patro na me tiremu
single fathers so dosu
ene de o yes single
adwa wo mo dosu
ena papa who say single mothers no ebi kura ye single mother in quote because nikunu enye nikunu ne mane ne tie watu kwan na say wo ye adwuma
enu nti na me ka kire wo saa no enu ase ebi bobena obi ho bobena gumi so saa wati kurom ha ya nikunu wa amano ne be years of 15 years otimi etimi nya dan me wi asemenya dan you know those kind of people no ya na me edwene say say no muso be manage saa enkwada yi wo kura ni kunu so ne nanka ne nsanso nka ne nanka ne nsanka
those kind of people no almost stress no any emotions no double because o say parents nanka sa nyame born say enta oba ne berima ni nyina na ntete mofra enti se ekofole to ba ko peso
yeah
the frustration na asantefo ana sempenifo ka bi say bema tete bema ene oba tete oba now no wo wa ye ho bema no asan ye ho oba
kafra
ana eduru baby a enkoda na nkasa no omu hia father figure no
eno kura papa
enye say ohia father figure ne say bia papa na ebe tene no de but the father is eja eyesum. So they need the father. And it's a papa no si ni ho na ma me no kwana enema no wo handle na the emofa no so enye appreciative. These days no mo fa na ya wo mo no. And I'm so mo so school mu omo ye social studies na omo sensia family ni ade. Omo so ya frustrated.
Oh yeah.
Oh no one be a single parent pe. Ena wonene wo.
Yeah.
And when they also get so much overwhelmed, baby omonso be releasing omonso stress no. Eye home na yes the mother no. The single parent na or no wo no. And the single parent no so wo no. Olonso why you so much overwhelmed. The characters that mo free you show na say bogafo no kra de anika wo mu say wafra wache krogo a wayire ne ho pa 10 minutes ene obebi sankora bebrebe ni nyina asem na waya ade pa wa bone nsema ma no and they feel some of them feel the same disika tabi nye sika nkwa ne de tete abofra
dabi
and yet you see emotions na ekomu no even more than the money.
Oh yes.
Because single mother or parents no stress sana. The next thing is obeto bomb also obeto no. Most of them are negative. And I mean, will that breast say Enye se nka na ne pene so obeka se ne ba ne mmere na papa aburo
Jim FM
aburo no so se si ye omutifie a ye nsua die ye to budget internet ne ho nieme na akoda na ya so brache no ye na so den nanka ejabi ka ho a anka ono so de na eja knowledge no ene na wisdom no.
And so that crocodile friend will be is mommy been feeding you? Is mommy been giving you food?
Or no per se, or better say, or no nation of because one is me
was Sicaros, so no, it means 1 month.
I know there's 1 month to say. You come to the give mom, Omoka month, I would know what you do.
Already, go for
I draw
never trust. I the questions there, but also, but never trust.
I am say originally a better try to answer questions.
Okay, because Obi say, God bless you, Bishop. Like my mom, I never been to university, but I always calls her graduate, and push me. Now I am indeed the graduate. And ne maami anko suku enra chiri bia but maami na push no I must say one way graduate enti wo hwe mothers ne fathers ne bi omo push you on man papa
because papa was sure say obedon ho na what to me a project ne ban.
All right. Thank you very much. Ochina nyame ya adoma. Meno beto aso afri baby ayedri. Aye center. Aye partos AIB. Woman abo sa adwumadi ye hoka. Ye from a center. Woman abo hoka. Aye sanitizer. Ye de ye ensem. Ye de ye kapuna no. Ye de spray ye fie mo. E kunkum mua. Woman do ha oni amane ye ba no. Enunti metumi abo ho already actually was say woman ebo modern and woman boss adwumadi you ka person no kasa na otimi order bidia 0541110136 0541110136 womo enna e boss adwumadi you ka obetumi akọ Goyle station bia no amekoto fuel na me bi so mo center honom omo se ani ona short ye de na sa na me se monko pe bi megu won tentem anya sa me report mon tentem etu ko Goyle bia no wanya bia frem ne ka kire me se wo ko ye no omo ni bi e wo honom womo ne boss adwumadi you ka e ma me de ebrewo. Happy birthday to you, Mami Dufie. Celebrate pause for Mame. Happy birthday to you, Ishra. We are Juma Finance Ministry. Ishra, and your birthday. Ishra, the way Ishra. Ishra, my friend, how much you know now? What one for Ishra? No, wada. All right, me sorry na CJ Jinamachiha. One catch them and say, Momra mehe. I say, Bibi Pabi bet me a free Nazareth, or say, Momra emehe. Medusia, Yamaya Duma, Medusia Chiao, Medo, me pewasem, Mekoswa Bompire, also Koso Bompire Mammy. Or questions now, Debbie Banano, or China Yamaya Duma, Be Yano,